In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create cinematic blur animate text in CapCut PC. So start by adding your video background that you'd like to use onto your timeline. And of course, add in your text layer along with it at the top and add in your text in this text layer and make necessary adjustments and try customizing and be creative with your text as much as you can. Once done, click on Effects at the top, and here look for the blur effect and drag it onto your timeline just above your text layer. Now switch to the Basic tab and move the playhead at the very beginning of the clip and click on this diamond button beside blur to add a blur keyframe. Next is move the playhead just a bit forward and here adjust the blur intensity to 0 and also add in a keyframe so as you can see it is automatically added. And just for a smoother transition, right click on the last keyframe that you added, then click on show all presets and here select quad ease. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one.